Unboxing the MO16P-2C 16-inch portable monitor from CODi. Inside you'll find a user manual and the portable monitor. Inside the accessories box, you'll find a microfiber cleaning cloth, a wall block, and a power cord. Inside the Type-C box, you'll find a USB-C to USB-C cable. Inside the HDMI box, you'll find a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. To fold the cover into a stand, open the cover and flip the front to the back. Then snap the back pieces together magnetically to create the stand. To remove the cover, simply snap it off. To put the cover back on, align the part of the cover without the CODi logo to the back of the monitor. The magnetic connection will hold it in place. To connect the portable monitor to your laptop, connect one end of the USB-C cable to the portable monitor. Then connect the other end of the USB-C cable to the laptop. Now you can power on the portable monitor with the power button on the right side. Enjoy mirrored or extended displays with your CODi portable monitor.